In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the Apple payment method declined error. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to verify that your payment information is accurate. So open the Settings app, tap your Apple ID at the top, then select Payment and Shipping. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode if prompted. Make sure your card number, expiration date, billing address, and security code are all correct because even a small typo can cause Apple to decline the payment. Now, you need to verify you have enough available funds or update your payment method. To do that, I need you to go to your wallet app. If you are using a debit or prepaid card, make sure you have enough available balance to cover the purchase. For example, if that card is declined, you need to update that card. So I need you to link another active credit card or debit card into your wallet app. Another option that you can do is update your iOS because using an outdated version of iOS can occasionally cause payment related problems. So basically, all I have to do is go to Settings, then General, and follow the software update. If an update is available, install it and wait for iPhone to restart before testing Apple Pay or App Store purchases again. Okay? Now, if you've tried every solution and the payment is still being declined, the final step is to contact the Apple support. They can review your Apple account, identify any account specific issues, and help restore your payment functionality. As you can see, fixing the Apple payment method declined error is usually straightforward. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.